Hi everyone. We're going to first time with Georgi to Scorebirds Hotel. What pool party today?
Swimsuit party.
Okay, we can first time. I never been before. Never been. We start already now to 2:20 p.m. already start. Here. I can take video here. Allowed, okay? Because 1 year ago, not allowed. Now allowed.
Yeah, that was before.
Okay.
Covid time.
What is this?
Huh? For the candidates.
For what?
For the candidates.
Candidates, sir. We don't have judge. But there are so many bids. She's the one who win the contest.
Okay, Georgi, you hold. I know. Okay. I also don't know. I not understand. So what is, where you want to sit? Boy, beautiful girl sitting there. It's your girlfriend?
His friend.
Ah, friend.
He's available.
Available?
Available.
Okay.
Interview her.
Georgi available.
Your favorite girl.
Aha.
Your favorite girl, you throw the bead. And the girl with the most bead at the end, she wins. She wins the prize.
This is so many, it's every girl, one girl.
Yeah, you throw to your famous girl.
If Georgi like this to one girl. To one girl.
You two-time the girl.
Okay, Georgi to you. To girl. Georgi, what number of girls you like?
Number 7, number 11.
7-11, yes?
Yeah, 7-11.
7-11 girls you want. Okay, Georgi. Okay, we can follow your decide.
Hello, sir. Beads? Golden beads or beads? I don't know how to speak Russian.
We go backstage later, Leon.
She stands 5 pounds behind She hails from the beautiful province of Bulacan. Representing Lollipop, ladies and gentlemen, Lollipop. Following her, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2, 28 years of age, 5'25" and 32. Also from Bulacan, winning goal number 024, representing Contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Kirsty Pineda. All right, thank you so much. Contestant number 2, Kirsty Pineda from Contestant. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, 21 years of age. She stands 5'1" high and she measures 32, 26, and 36. She hails from the capital city of the Philippines, Metro Manila, winning phone number DH 510, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Ms. Ella Adobas. All right, thank you so much. Contestant number 3, Ms. Ella Adobas from Dollhouse. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 4, 22 years of age, 5'9" and she measures 33, 24, and 34. She hails from the tropical island of Lincoln. Representing Lollipop, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Paris Rosenda. Ladies and gentlemen, it's speed time. All right, thank you so much, and Miss Maurice Rosenda from Lollipop. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5, 25 years of age, 5'25", and she measures 34, 26, and 34. She hails from the wonderful land of Carla. Winning code number 495, representing Contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Princess Ira Soriano. And she measures 32, 24, and 34. She hails from the beautiful city of Calpayo. Representing Lollipop, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Cardina Crisostomo.
You choose 7? Number 7 now.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, second basket kicks off with our contestant number 7, 19 years of age, 5 season height, and she measures 32 to 24 and 34. She hails from the capital city of the Philippines, Metro Manila. When they call number age 41A, representing Dollhouse, give it up for Ms. Hope Vindamore. Then, magkano sila kayo na? All right, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7 is Hope Vindamore from the Dollhouse. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 8, 18 years of age, 5 to 5, and she measures 38, 24, and 34. She hails from Bulacan, winning goal number 665, representing Contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Jenny Lee Paga. Coming up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 9, 26 years of age, 5 to 5, and she measures 32, 25, and 36. From the tropical island of Leyte, winning goal number DH 409, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Ms. Amari Barreto. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 10, 27 years of age, 5'7" high, and she measures 34, 24, and 33. Also from the capital city of the Philippines, Metro Manila. Winning from number 132, representing Contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for is Leia Sika. Ladies and gentlemen, it's speed time. Moving down to our second to the next, the contestant number 11, 22 years of age. She stands at 5'45" and she measures 32, 27, and 33. She hails from the Lantern capital of the Philippines, Pampanga. With a book number DH158, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for this champion.
Георгий, 11.
Last but definitely not the least, the contestant number 12, 25 years of age. 5'6" in height and she measures 36, 29, and 36. From Subic, Zambales. Winning code number 510, representing Contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, 8.4 minutes. Benjamin Sika. Will be available for daily starting. For only 350 pesos, you would have one of our sexy second batch contestants right next to you. Just raise your hands whenever I'm doing the drink auction for each girls. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7, Hope, to the board. First board. Two guys trying to buy some baby spray. 3 guys. First guy, second guy, third guy. Sir, how many baby spray are you willing to buy for Ms. Jenny? Bidding starts at 2. 2 baby sprays and 3 baby sprays. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do have your favorite contestant and to make it on the top 6 finalists to be announced in a few, all you have to do is pose a piece for one of the young ladies wearing red shirt. Hurry around, it only costs 100 pesos for the 6 kinds of beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. Golden beads is equivalent to 300 kinds of beads. And remember, gentlemen, beads are the only criteria for judging of this contest, and getting more beats they get, the better chances of their winning. NASCAR repeats of our contestant number 1 is Manufacturing from Lollipop.
Kasi ako nakain ko lagi ng tubig.
For Reese, Rosenda from Lollipop. Alright, thank you so much for Reese Rosenda. NASCAR repeats of our contestant number 5, Princess Aina Sofiano from Philippines. Alright, thank you so much, Princess Aina Sofiano. NASCAR repeats of our contestant number 6, Martina Crisostamo from Lollipop. Mataas din yung mga ano niya, opinion niya. Kamu-kamu sa akin, malaki pag-pwede ako sa pwede mo. Dali niya. Ayan, sige. NASCAR repeats of our contestant number 7, Miss Hope Whitmore from the Labs. May mga pasas ka kampanya, ha? Kasi wala sa bibigyan mo ba? Ha? Alright, thank you so much. Open the board from the Labs. NASCAR repeats of our contestant number 8, Gemini Dragon from Philippines. Thank you so much, Shamika Vega. Next over page of our next contestant, the Baby Sika from the Fernandez. And more reads for the longest contestants of this search for Mrs. Roberts' social competition. Again, ladies and gentlemen, if you do have your favorite contestant coming out to make it the top 6 finalist to be announced in a few. Last number 8, 10. Hey. Seven. Six. That's number 8, 5. As number 8, ladies and gentlemen, and 1. Big round of applause once again for the all-cast contestants of the search of our Mrs. Scopers, the swimsuit competition.
Once I gave, I feel good. Yeah.
First up, ladies and gentlemen, our first finalist, winning total points of 583. First finalist, contestant number 9, a body part from Ballhouse. Second finalist, winning total points of 208. Contestant number 11, Chopika Vega from Ballhouse. Third finalist, winning total points of 204. Contestant number 12, Pinkett Siga from Contestant. Fourth finalist, winning total points of 188. Contestant number 20, Ella Adobas from Ballhouse. Fifth finalist, winning total points of 181. Contestant number 8, Gemini Pega from Contestant. And our next finalist, winning total points of 179. Contestant number 7, Hope Vindamore. Congratulations to our top 6 of finalists and to all the contestants who didn't make it. Thank you so much for being part of today's show. You want to say that? Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, grand finals of the Search for Bases Scorers. Switching competition begins with number contestant number 3. 21 years of age. 5'2" height and she measures 32, 26, and 36. Winning home number the age of 510 from Ballhouse. Give it up for Ella Adobas. Ladies and gentlemen, Spain's time. All right, thanks so much. Contestant number 3, Ella Adobas. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7. 19 years of age, 5'6" height, and she measures 32, 24, and 34. Winning home number the age of 5'8". Representing Ballhouse, make way for Ms. Hope Vindamore. Number 8. 18 years of age, 5'2" height, and she measures 36, 24, and 34. Winning number 665, representing Contestant, make way for Ms. Gemini Pega. Thank you so much, Gemini Pega. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 9 at 26 years of age. 5'2" height, and she measures 32, 25, and 36. Winning home number the age of 409. Representing Ballhouse, make way for Ms. Bobby Barreto. measures 32, 27, and 33. Medical number DH158. Representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Jamaica Vega. And thank you so much, Jamaica Vega. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 12, 25 years of age, 5'6" in height, and she measures 36, 29, and 36. Winning club number 510, representing Contestant. Give it up for Baby Sika. National Beats, man. Swimsuit competition. Big Summers is sponsoring Beats. Ladies and gentlemen, watch out for the announcing of our top 3 winners.
Okay, here are the 6 semifinals. Hi, ladies. Are you ready for the announcement? Ayan. Are you ready, guys, for the winners? Alrighty. Do I have to move over here? Alright. Let's not announce the third runner-up. Alright. The third winner. Alright. Louis. Okay. Who do you think is the third winner? Huh? What number? Come on, guys, tell me. We have like 3, 7, 8, 9, and 11. So our third runner-up. How many beats? With 244 beats. Is contestant number? Who? 3. Who's your bet? 2 here. Third place, contestant number 11, Jamaica Vega from DH158. And so she got how many beats? 244 beats. Wow. All right, how about a big hand? Come on, guys. Come on, give your support. We have the second place this time. How about the second winner? The second runner-up? What number do you choose? Pati itong mga nandito nag-choose din. The second runner-up, second place winner with 248 beats. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, Ella Adobas. Second runner-up, our second place winner. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our first place winner. What number do you think is the winner? We have 8, we have We have 9. Who else? We only have 3 guys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our first place winner with, would you believe, 613 beats. Oh my goodness. With 613 beats, contestant number 9, Lamari Barreto. And as always, she is our winner. Congratulations, ladies. Once again, congratulations to all our winners. Congratulations, ladies. And thank you so much for everybody.
Thank you. Just finish already. I've been first time and Georgi been first time. Where Georgi? Georgi? Georgi, what do you think about this show? You like? What you like? Your food like?
Food is good.
Better foods for you?
Yes, I think it will. I think food will not good, but it's good because very good pork, very good beef, fruits also. So good quality. Yes, I think it costs 500 pesos. I spent,
Yes, this is 500. This is, but I not want it really. I don't know. I don't want. I'm not hungry and don't want it. I will eat. I don't know when. I don't. Next time maybe I will eat here. So I coupons. I try to give to Georgi. Georgi said it's you can gain more eat. Not so it's
No, I have-
unlimited.
I have stamp.
Because it's unlimited. Unlimited. It's
Scoreboards SB.
That's why we. Oh, it's good. Good for party.
Yes.
Georgi, maybe we walk and we walk in street. Okay, let's go. Okay. Popular blogger. Hi.
Hi guys, Georgie. Hey Leon, how are you?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
finally.
meet you. First time I first time see you personal.
Yes, you were in there. Pretty good show, huh?
Yeah, I first time. I never been before.
Yeah, yeah.
Even I 10 years already here. I never been in Scoreboards.
Yeah. Well, views go pretty good.
Yeah,
I got
very good.
60,
Next time we can again come back here.
Yeah, good. How's everything going for you? You all right with everything?
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
I will take video now in walking street again.
Yeah, you do or you don't?
No problem.
Yeah, yeah.
No problem. I just walk.
Yeah, yeah. You got a good vlog.
Okay,
Keep it up,
thank you,
keep it
thank
up.
you.
See you guys.
See you.